Make sure this microphone's actually working. Yep, I think I got it pointing the right way. Cause it's a different kind. It's not like the usual kind of microphone you see. It's like an earphone type of microphone, and you can just kind of like. It's a bit difficult to explain. Cause I want to get on with this game. We're gonna get over the this area. We're gonna get out. Say. Because I dislike it here, you know. I mean, the vibes for everywhere is, you know, varying degrees of cool, I guess. But this, yeah, I'd rather let's not stay here. Yeah, there we go. Come on, down here. Wait. Oh. So am I? Oh, I'm supposed to drop these out. Come on. Eat. Consume thy breakfast! Come on. Really? Thank you. Hey, hi. Hi, can you... And then... Whoop. Yep. Thank you. Alright, is it gonna go smoothly this time? Can we go this? Can we get... Hi, can we go... No. No, this way. This way. The other way. The other way, you... Oh my god. How do you get... Ah, okay. I don't know why thou does this. Okay, I guess we're just going this way now. That's fine. Oh no, don't do that. Okay. I don't know how to pilot you. That's not good. Right, come on, back the other way. Come on. Back this way. Back the other way. Thank you. Yes, let's go. Let's get in. Come on. All right, we got plenty of time left. So, no. Come on. Tentative steps. Not necessary. You've already done this many times, I swear, if you fall into that. Thank you. Please don't. There we go. Yep. No stops. No going the other way. We're going to go over that little obstacle there. And we'll be good. We're all good. I really want to get through this. Oh, okay, that's a noodle fly. We'll be fine. Just ignore that. Come on, big guy. Come on. Yes. Okay, over the grass. I believe in thee. Come on. I swear, if you turn around. Yes, there we go. Ooh. Don't. Please. To fall over. Hello. Ah. Yellow lizard. Okay. Okay, fair enough. Here you go. Thank you. Oh, you're such a good little guy. He'll never pet you. I'll be going past you now. Into the... Here. Bye-bye. Nuh-uh. Uh-oh. Ooh. Thank you. Ah, okay, good stuff. Okay. Whew. Alright. Hold on a moment. How many? Oh, I'm full. Okay. Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. Oh. Yeah, no, I should probably not do that. Hey, that's... that could have been my breakfast at one point. Don't be snatching it up now. Alright, whatever. Thank you. Drop you. Get you two. I'm gonna need you. Alright. I've just realized I may have needed that spear. Oh my goodness, okay. Also realized I may... could have just gone down that way, but, anyways. It would be so funny if those fruits were, like, gone. Because, you know... like, they just came and snatched them up. Nah. Good thing they didn't. That is a rock. Do not need rock. Thank you. Ah, need the fruit. Yeah, come on. Here we go. Good stuff. Alright, that's another spear right there. That looks like it might be... Ooh! Okay, that's a pole. Oh dear, okay. Wait. Deer! Hello, deer. You look like you're trying to get away from something. Oh no, I'm going this way. Oh, you got it all... I got it all planned out. Sorry, this will be for tomorrow if you're still around. No, actually. Okay, hold on. Hi. No, you look like you're going the other way, and I don't want to chance it. I want to secure myself in this other region, please. Thank you. Ooh, that's not good. Oh, why are you here? Okay, right there. Please keep going. That's right. You just keep going. They're kind of cute, but they're also kind of annoying. It's mostly the gatekeeping. Come on. Either chase me or get out of my way, please. I just need you to go in any one of these directions and I can just continue boys. I do not have time for this. There you go, come on, pathfinding. Pathfinding, will it win out? Will it actually win out, or are you just going to be stuck there until the rains come? Fantastic, I think it's actually just going to be stuck there. Mayhaps I should have just taken the deer. Oh dear. Hi. Yeah, you're going to have to give me a Oh! You bastard! Oh, look at this. No. Oh, did you just see that? Let's go. Pure skill. Anyway. And now there's 3 more of you, but at least I can maneuver around. Oh. Okay. It's a spear. I don't want to have to drop this. Whoa. Hi. Oh. Okay, good. Jesus, they're everywhere. Hi. I'm gonna go this way now. Alright, looks like we might have to do some combat here, so... You. I need you. Alright. Wait, you. And, of course, yes. Is there another spear on you? Okay, I don't have time for this. I'm just gonna grab this and go. Ooh. Hello. Bye-bye. I'm gonna go this way now. And... I am the master of dumbass avoidance. Of lizard avoidance. I hate myself so much. Okay. Alright. This is good. This is good. Or, yep, there you go. Okay. Good stuff. Good stuff. Alright. That was full of excitement. Yeah. But I will try to get past this point. Just once. I believe I'm probably going to lose my life doing so, but that's fine. If I can't find any more of the flowers, I'll just eat again, and then I'll just go back to sleep, and then I'll just call it a day there. But hey, if I can, I can. Oh wait, yep, okay, sorry, they're over there. Nice. Alright, so... brings back memories of the shoreline. And then... Nope, there you go. Alright, Hi. You can... Yes. Yum yum yum. Eat. Thank you. You know what, I'll just let you know, because I got this. Oop. Hey, I haven't had to use that bomb yet. I know I still have that, and I kind of forgot to use that, but, whatever. Yep. Sorry, I'll stop making all the sound effects. Oh, hi. Yeah. Nice. Arenas. Cool. The hell is this now? Ugh. Wait, friend! Oh, no. Okay. Oh dear. I need to get over there. But I can't get up there. There's no chance I can use this? Oh wait, my bad, my bad. I'm sorry. No. Yeah. Nice. Sorry, I did not see this. I didn't notice it. Get out of my way. I don't want to eat. I can't. Oops. Oh. Oh no. Wait. Wait, I don't need to throw them, I just need to drop them. Okay, if it gets too late, I'll just go back to the shelter. And then I'll try to figure it all out next time. Okay, well, I don't want you sitting down in the grass. I could try to go for a speed run and try to get one of these guys over here, but I don't know how well that would work. Okay, slime. Yeah. They want me. I put down 2? Bitch. Wait, I have an idea. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to the third one, and then I'm going to throw it and attract the attention of one of these guys, and maybe try and get me back to where I need to be. No, come on. No, come on. Thank you. Okay. Wait, unless I could have just gone this way. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, I think we're done here. I do not wish to go back that way. I want to go to the left. Or west, whatever. Right, you guys just kind of move on it. Okay, thank you. Nothing there. Just gonna go to, oh. Nope. Come in. Whoopee. Oh, piss off. Oh my god, now you're just gonna sit there. Oh my god, I swear, this game. Okay, this is fine. I can just get past this. But, oh my god, is that annoying. Alright, come on. Time is of the essence. No. What are you doing? Okay. Fine. What the hell are you doing? Can you go away now? You camping bitch. Thank you. Hold on a second. You guys run into each other and I can just go back this way. I'm gonna go this way. Are you fucking with me right now? Oh my god. Nuh-uh. Oh, nuh-uh. Can you pick the damn bubble up? Cheers. Cool. Okay, so you're gonna go that way, and then you're gonna be a bitch, because then you're gonna get stuck, like you always do. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, this should be simple enough. Bye-bye. I'm not coming back here. Oh my goodness, okay. Is there another one? Is there another one I need to know about? Oh my god! If there isn't one of those deer traveling past, yeah, I'm gonna be mildly infuriated. Come on, we. Goodness powers. Okay. Come on. We have limited time before one of these guys shows up, realizes that he's been baited for nothing, and then leave again. I don't want that. Yep. Come on. No. Go away. If you don't want to get zapped, don't follow me. Hi. Oh. Slowly and timidly reaching down. Anyways. Hello. Thank you. Gracias. Come on, let's move. No! Oh, don't sit on me! Please! No! I don't want that! Okay, thank you. Yes! Yes, yes. Just go that way. There's no need to turn around at all. Thank you. Alright, let him cook. Let him cook, ladies and gentlemen.
I know not if this mic is picking up my voice right now, but if it is, and everyone can hear more than just strange background murmuring, then you must know how difficult this was the first time.
Ooh. Some arts that back there, graffiti. Thank you, little guy. Truly, could not have done it without thee. Without you. Thank you. I'm gonna pat you. Pat you one more time. Go. Safe journeys across the grass. As I make mine. Across this suburban or urban wasteland. There's food and... Oops. My bad. I thought one of these might have been a... Yeah. Oops. A pole plant there. This maybe not. Come on. Like I need that. Alright, whatever. Yep, that'll be good. Thank you. And that was Farmer Race, everyone. I think I'm still technically in it, but yeah, I'd like to maybe try with what am I saying? Yeah, we could do the adventure. I'm sure it's maybe at least somewhat downhill from here. We're gonna have to rely on the deer, cute as they are. Anyways, my graphic is a bit longer than usual, but it's whatever. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.